Do you want to know why your Google ad is not showing on Google Maps and your business location is not showing on Google Search Ads? I will tell you why in this short video. So right now in one of my clients' accounts, as you can see in the overview page, the ad is active. We have 130 impressions and 8 clicks. And now I want to go ahead and show you the asset right here. So I click on the asset. So right on the asset, we are supposed to be able to see the location right there. So we can't find the location right here. Only the call and structure snippet and the call extensions are active. So why is the location extension not active? So what we want to do now is we want to go straight to the tools right here. On the tool section right here, you see shared library. So you click on shared library, then you go straight to the location manager. So I click on location manager, then it takes me straight to the location manager. So as you can see right here, the business is active in the location manager. However, if I scroll to the right, I'll be able to see the status of the location. As you can see right here, the status is not eligible. So the business location is not eligible to serve on Google Ad, despite the fact that the location is active on Google My Business page. So this location, if you search on Google, you can find the location active in the organic result, but it will not be serving in Google Ads, either on Google Search or on Google Maps. And the reason is because there's some information in the business profile that is not allowed on Google Ads. So if you want your business location to serve on Google Ads, you have to make sure that the information you put on your business location is allowed on Google Ads. Particularly if you are trying to advertise some product and that product is not allowed on Google Ads, but you can leave that information in your Google My Business page. So what you have to do is to go ahead and edit your profile and make sure that that information that is not allowed on Google Ads is not present on your business profile. And if your profile has already been disapproved, just like the one you're seeing right here, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and file an appeal so that Google can go ahead and review that you have made appropriate change in the profile, and then the profile will be reviewed again. And if Google find the profile worthy to show on your Google Ads, then the business location will start serving on Google Map, and then it will also show on Google Search advertisement. So that is how you can go ahead and find out whether your business location is serving on Google Ad and Google Map or not. And if it's not serving, then you can go ahead and file an appeal for Google to review the profile, and then you'll be able to know the next line of action. So that is what I have for you right in this short video, and I believe with this information you'll be able to tell why your business location is not serving on Google Search and on Google Maps. Thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next one.